How to convert Valorant sensitivity to Marvel Rivals. So first, you simply need to open up your browser. Now, once you are on your browser, just search for sensitivity converter. Then click on the first link, which is the Gaming Smart website. Then it will bring you right here. Then just search for, select the Valorant here on convert from. So Valorant and convert to, now you want to put Marvel Rivals right there. And on the original game sense, you need to put your sense on Valorant. So let's say I'm using 0.2 as my sense in Valorant, and I'm using the DPI. So from DPI, I was 1.6, and if you change your DPI now when you're playing Marvel Rivals, you need to set it to that. But I'm still playing on the same DPI, which is 1.6, so that's the same. And as you can see, the converted sensitivity is 0.8. Now you could just simply copy it or go to your Marvel Rivals and replace the sensitivity right there. And that's basically it.